before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to Community Wealth. In case you wonder what I'm doing, I'm actually doing a car search right now because overnight I applied for auto loan with Navy Federal. You know, I was talking about Navy Federal quite a bit. I also applied for a credit limit increase on my credit card, but they put my auto loan application under review. I don't know what that means. I don't know how long it'll take. So I went ahead and I applied for a car loan with CapitalOne because I've been hearing good stuff about CapitalOne. And I had a CapitalOne account before. I know someone personally who just got pre-qualified or pre-approved for an auto loan. And so I said, well, you know what? Navy Federal got me under review. I need a car right now. So let me go ahead and try CapitalOne. Lo and behold, I was pre-qualified. Now, pre-qualified don't necessarily mean that you got it, but they give you all the paperwork and everything for you to go to the dealership and show them that you're pre-qualified. And so, with that being the case, let me show you what happened with me. I was actually pre-qualified for $63,000. All right. That's awesome. I pre-qualified for $63,000. I've never seen that before for me. Even when I had a 785, I didn't see this kind of pre-qualification. And so, then again, I never really tried to be pre-qualified. Actually, I did. Back when I actually tried CapitalOne back then in 2018 when I had my 775, 780. And so, I don't necessarily know if I was approved or not. But then again, back then I had a fraud alert and I had a freeze on my on one of my accounts and had a fraud alert on all three of my accounts. So I found out with a fraud alert, they kind of stay away from you a little bit. I found that out way later. But so I don't know what happened, you know, back then. I don't know if it was because of the fraud alert or because I wasn't, my accounts weren't good enough because I only had two accounts and they were like very low credit limits. Even though I was close to 800, you know, my credit it looked new because I had my credit report pretty much cleaned. I cleaned my whole credit report, so I only had those two credit cards, one for 500 and one for 300. So, I mean, it didn't look all that good. But now I got pre-qualified for a $63,000 auto loan, and my credit report looks pretty good. You know, I make a little bit of money. You know, I have 3 accounts in there. It's been going on for a little while. I have another auto loan on there that, you know, that's a zero balance right now. I have paid off a student loan. My credit cards are pretty much kept at 3% every month. So, credit report looking pretty good right now. So I guess the way they pre-qualified me for up to $63,000. So let me see what it says. Okay, let's go with this. You're pre-qualified up to $63,000 with CapitalOne. Cars come in all shapes and sizes, and your financing does too. Your max amount financed will depend on the vehicle you choose and other factors. Make sure that you're looking to finance at least $4,000 for a new used truck and all that good stuff. What to expect? Show your letter, go for a test drive, fill out a dealer credit application, finish your deal. What to bring with you to the dealer: driver's license, proof of insurance, proof of residence. So I'm on the phone with CapitalOne actually right now because I want to really ask them questions about the $63,000 and see exactly what I have to do when I get there, because it's my first time ever going to a dealer already pre-qualified. So I don't really know what to expect. So that's why I'm on the phone on hold with them. I've been on hold with them for a minute. They said 15 minutes. It's way longer than 15 minutes. But anyway. And also I got to call Geico. I want to go ahead and get some insurance set up. So when I go there, all I have to do is make the phone call, or I might even make a payment over the phone for a quick 1 month or whatever to get it started. And then once I get there, I know if I have this vehicle or not. And then I can go ahead and, you know, pay the rest of it. I might pay up the full 6 months. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with the insurance. I think I'll go ahead and pay up the full 6 months, so I ain't gotta worry about it. So I got that taken care of. But yo, check this out. So after you get pre-qualified, that's what this stuff is about. They actually show you vehicles, dealerships, and everything. So I've been looking at the Buicks. I've been looking at GMCs. Might look at some Mercedes. I don't know. They say you got $63,000. I'm not going to use the full $63,000. That wouldn't make sense. But I do know kind of what I want. So I've been going through here. I've been looking at the LaCrosse, and you know, I don't really care for the Verano. The Regal is okay. I'm looking at the LaCrosse. I've been looking at some GMC trucks. You know, so I know a lot of you guys like foreign cars. I'm not really into foreign cars. Unless it's maybe, I might do a Land Cruiser, may do that. I like the Jaguar, I like that, but I'm not going to buy a Jaguar. I'm not going to spend that much money for a car, but I do like them. So I've just been going through different cars and trucks, mainly GMC, and like I said, Buick. So that's pretty much it. I didn't want to go in too deep. So I'm going to go ahead and handle this business, and when I come from the dealership, I'll let you guys know what happened there as far as what's going on with how the financing went, you know, how long it took, because I'm assuming it's going to be quick. The last time I bought a car, I was there for hours. I know most of you guys have been there for hours as well. So I'll kind of know how this process works, and I'll be able to update you guys on that and let you know how it went, how smooth it went, how smooth it didn't go. Was I able to haggle good enough? How did the salesperson treat me? You know, all that good stuff. And I also have a picture of the vehicle I purchased, if I purchase a vehicle. If I purchase one today, if I don't, or I might, you know, it just might go into tomorrow. You know, but I need it by Wednesday. So this is going to tomorrow. Might go to a couple more dealerships tomorrow, but I got 2 in mind I'm gonna go to right now, so I can check this out. It's going to be with the one I went to last time, and then it's one not too far from here I'm going to go check out. So again, thanks for watching, and I'll let you when I get back. How you doing?